Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to export a report in Salesforce. Whether you need to share data with your team, create a backup, or analyze information in Excel, exporting reports is an essential skill that will save you time and keep your data accessible. Let's start by opening Salesforce and locating the app launcher. This is the waffle icon you'll find in the top left corner of your screen. Click on it to reveal all your available apps. In the search bar that appears, type Reports and select the Reports app from the results. This will take you to your Reports homepage where all your saved reports are stored. Now that you're in the Reports section, you need to find the specific report you want to export. Browse through your list or use the search function to locate it, then click on the report name to open it. This will display the full report with all its data and formatting. Once the report is open, look for the Edit button near the top of the page. Right next to it, you'll see a drop-down arrow. Click on this arrow to reveal additional options for managing your report. From this drop-down menu, select Export. This is the key action that will allow you to download your report data. Here's where you have an important decision to make. Salesforce will present you with two export options. The first is Formatted Report, which preserves the layout and visual structure of your report, but this option only exports as an XLSX file. The second option is Details Only, which gives you the raw data without formatting. This is useful when you need the purest form of your data for further analysis. If you choose Details Only, you'll have another choice to make regarding file format. Select either comma-separated values, which saves as a .csv file, or Microsoft Excel, which saves as a .xlsx file. CSV files are lighter and work across more platforms, while XLSX files offer more features in Excel. After making your selection, click the Export button to initiate the download. Your browser will prompt you to save the file, so choose a location on your computer where you can easily find it later and save the downloaded file. And that's it. You've successfully exported your Salesforce report and now have your data ready to use outside the platform. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.